if you end up in top 10, we at Alien Brains are gonna hire you. Because if you are someone who can excel in 4 different technologies in 4 different weeks, you are someone who knows how to get started. There is no reason why we won't want you in our family. So how the things will go is, we have 4 weeks. First week we are focusing on web development. The entire web development is designed in a way such that there are 6 mini projects, and there is a one big project, and there are 6 mini projects revolving around that. That is how it is being designed.
Hello everyone. सब ठीक है? Okay, we can proceed.
तो दृश्य का आ गया, अरे आ जाओ भाई, हम आ गए भाई. Okay, so guys, we are live. So I don't know much about you guys. So can you guys introduce yourself to me? We can start from Ashifa. Ashifa.
Hello everyone. I'm Ashifa Parvin. I'm from Kokhil Memorial Girls College. I don't know, I should say I'm in second year or third year.
Okay.
In between, I was supposed to give my fourth semester, but that didn't happen. So I don't know if I am in fifth semester or not. So I'll take it as second year.
I'll guide you actually. And today's sessions I'll give you some lesson plan as well as like what we are doing and what in next 3 days, like what is our objective. Okay.
Sir, actually I was skipping learning React from many weeks, and my seniors was also suggesting me to learn React as it is very popular nowadays. Then I saw an advertisement about ISB, and I immediately registered for that.
So basically ऐसा है कि आप एक टिंडर वाले ऐप पे हो, अभी बहुत सारी आपके पास प्रोफाइल्स आई हुई है, आपने सबको अब राइट स्वाइप कर दिया है, अब डिपेंड करती है एक्चुअल डेट किसको करोगे, राइट? First time on time. Yeah, I know. I was just 10 seconds early. So that's why I was like, okay, let's wait for 10 seconds. We are waiting from 5 minutes earlier. Acha, Rijit. What are the surprises? Acha, surprises actually in a different way, hai, Sagnik. Nothing to do with you guys. More to do with my team. Actually, आज हमारी कंपनी को स्टार्ट हुए 3 साल हो गए. It has been 3 years since we started the company. 3rd September 2017 was our foundation day. Thank you, Sagnik. Thank you, everyone. Happy Alien Brains. Happy 3rd anniversary, right? So, वो सरप्राइज एक्चुअली टीम के लिए. हैप्पी बर्थडे इन YouTube. या संजीत, हम लोग YouTube एंड LinkedIn दोनों जगह पे रिलीज करेंगे अराउंड 11:30 के आसपास.
Hi guys, so this week we are going to start with machine learning. So first of all the best, and yeah, it's really nice to meet you all again.
Tell us something about you.
So the first thing I want to tell, like मैं बहुत enjoy करता हूँ, like जब मैम श्वेता मैम या जो भी सर जो मैं पढ़ाते हैं, जो styles of the teaching is really good. So it's much better than मैं भी कॉलेज को बुरा नहीं बोलूँगा, बट मतलब मेरे को मजा आता है मेरे जो हर चीज सीखने को मैं कमेंट्स नहीं करता इतना, बेसिकली मैं जस्ट रिकॉर्ड हो, ज्यादातर मैं रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो देखता हूँ. तो जब भी रिकॉर्डेड भी होता है तो लाइक मेरे को बस मजा आता है कि भाई हर पॉइंट टू पॉइंट मतलब क्लियर होता है एकदम अच्छे से. तो इसके लिए
Hello everyone. I just wanted to know that how was your sessions and how are you enjoying the lockdown?
You know, one thing which I love about you right now कि आपका एक GitHub repository है सेकंड ईयर के केस में, बहुत अच्छा तरीके से maintained है. Great job Priyadarshan for that particular.
Thank you sir. सर ये मेरा सर जो मेरा जो गूगल सर्च है वो इसका वो ये है डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन वीडियो है. एक्चुअली मैं फायरबेस के साथ होस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, बट मेरा फायरबेस का उतना नॉलेज नहीं है. मैं होस्ट नहीं कर पाया.
Can you zoom in? Can you zoom in?
Okay sir. 1 second. एक GIF वीडियो है डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन का.
Mm-hmm. So you created this entire screen or like what?
Sorry sir.
You created this entire screen, is it so?
हाँ, interesting sir.
The entire nation wants to know कि how did you go there? आप rank 1 कैसे आया? Because I remember you saying that you were a complete beginner in case of React, and you're in 3rd year, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So like, how did you start it?
कुछ नहीं sir, बस like जैसे like videos were going on, I wasn't really like watching along with the videos because it was like a little taxing. It was a little slow for me. So what I did was, it used to get over by 9 at max 10, and then I would sit and watch it for like 2-3 hours continuously. At like, it depends like. So but yeah, basically I just did probably what everyone did, but just before the exam I ended up reading documents of React.js, and I think somewhere that might have helped.
Okay.
Like for me, I've never participated in any competition like this, sir. Like in 2019, I participated in one hackathon which was conducted by Amrita, and I came like around 14th in India, like all over India, and that was the first competition which I was participated. And after this is the second competition which I'm participating in online.
Background noise problem still? He is nodding from there. So for all the guys who are going to be missing us, I don't know if Abhirup, if you are watching us right now, please come and join. So Abhirup is our graphics guy, and actually he was okay. Sir, I was very बहानेबाजी और कुछ नहीं सब बहानेबाजी है. So Abhirup, if you are watching us, please come and join. So Abhirup is somebody who has been behind all the graphics. Basically one of the two people who has been behind all the graphics. So he was doing this fun today with you guys. Of course, I was also there. So, but the instant modification was done by him. He was like, sir, फटाफट online आइए. ये लोग chat को thumbnail को लेकर के ये लोग मस्ती कर रहे हैं. I'm like, okay, let's do more fun over there. That is how that happened.
Everyone's like super excited for this.
नहीं, वो तो रिजित का बहाना था. Drisha is there. Hi, Drisha.
Hi, sir. Hello, everyone.
Sid is saying hi. So, just to understand, hi Palak.
Hi.
Hi. So, nice to have you. So, how long did you wait up until you decided कि अच्छा ठीक है अब मैं finally stream पे आ जाती हूँ?
Oh, no, I just switched my other laptop. That's why.
Okay. We made sure this time, Sandeep. We especially phoned IPL team and we were like, bro, जब तक ISB 2.0 खत्म नहीं हो तब तक IPL चालू मत करिए. That is what exactly happened. We have this internal setting, you don't know. So next year also we'll have this setting. How many of you think Palak looks a bit similar to with Shweta ma'am?
Let's have her on stream, then we can see.
Shweta, I kind of think you are watching the stream, so if you want to come, of course you are welcome. If not, you can also comment on the section. What do you feel about this? Okay, let Abhirup answer this question. Finally, Abhirup has decided that he is going to come. He was joining in, going out, joining in, going out. So Abhirup journey started. Coincided with this. Abhirup.
I joined this company on 6th July 2000 this year. So before that, I lost 2 of my jobs due to this COVID, and I graduated this year itself. So, and 56 companies too at the same time went back from placements and didn't have placements in my college. Okay, so I'm from Symbiosis Institute of Design, Pune. I did my bachelor's in design from there, and after not being able to find a job anywhere, I shifted back to Kolkata, my hometown, and then I was looking for a better place where I can get the honor and respect as a designer. Like, to be honest, I kind of feel the job profile in Kolkata in terms of pay and everything is not that great, and the job like the work ambience, the place is also not that great. So I was trying to look for a place where I will actually find that sort, and then I came across Alien Brains, and I saw that they were looking forward to hire a graphic designer, and then I applied over here, and that's how I met Praveen sir, and now I'm here.
So Abhirup has the admin access also, and he is currently trying to figure out how to make himself inside the stream. I don't know how I can have such a dumb guy in my office. He knows I am kidding. Don't worry. Okay. So coming back to you guys, Ritik, how do you feel? चला गया. जैसे ही मैंने उससे पूछा ऋतिक हाउ डू यू फील, वो चला गया. आई मीन सो एम्बैरेसिंग. उस बंदे की तो मैं लूंगा. डिस्कॉर्ड में मिल मुझे, मैं तेरी लूंगा.
He's back.
The moment I ask you, Ritik, how do you feel?
I just clicked on the wrong thing.
Embarrass me in front of my stream. How do you manage to
That
do that?
happened to me as well.
Why
I
do you
clicked
do
on Leave Studio by mistake as well before this.
Sorry? What do you say?
I clicked on Leave Studio by mistake as well before this.
Doesn't it ask you for confirmation? I did that instead of unmuting myself.
Same.
Sai has been awfully silent. I don't know why.
No, I was just hearing you all
So,
talk.
Sai, like, how do you feel? Like, you are already there listening to this chit chat, what we are having, side impression, and your competitors out there preparing to be in top 10. So, like, how do you feel right now?
Actually, when I first registered for ISP, I was actually waiting for this kind of event. Like I said already in the comment, I was waiting for this kind of event from my first year, and now I'm in my final year, and I waited and finally got an opportunity like this, because we will have some clarity right after attending all these 4 sessions on different technologies. We will understand which one we are actually interested in. So when you just ask me which one you're interested, I would say this one or that. But when I have some hands-on experience, maybe then I will be able to, So what actually happened was, I have cyber security and DBMS as my semester subjects already. So I have studied for 6 months, but I never had hands-on experience. So after this 1 week, I just got more idea. So I thought I wanted to share this with all of you, that why events like this are more important for students, because when you go on internet and search, there will be so many things to learn from, but there will not be any proper channel to direct you, to tell you what you really want to do. So when we attend events like this, like for 4 weeks, we will try different technologies, then we will have some clarity, like what we are actually interested in or what we are good at finally. So I think events like this should continue every year, and more events like this should happen.
I have a doubt. May I ask?
Yeah.
Did you get your clarity?
I think I got more clarity. I'm always interested in web development, but I never really thought I should take this one. Like, I don't know, I'm not sure till now, but now I think I have some clarity on what to do.
Maybe you should try rapping. You speak really fast.
Sorry, what did you say, Ritik?
Maybe you should try rapping. You speak really fast.
Okay, finally we have a comment which is good, which is not by me. Varis is flattered. Varis, would you like to come in for the for this particular thing, Varis? If you want, everybody is waiting for you. I'm up. So Varis के साथ तो हम मस्ती करते ही है. You must have seen in that particular video which we released. So Varis was like, it was like this, right, Varis? I don't know. We can make Varis a meme too. Or Varis OP.
Emily was like, am I a joke to you the whole time? in the video.
No. You remember, like I asked him, और किसी को कुछ कहना है, and he was like, bye.
Yeah.
So that was fun from him. He won't. He's shy. I don't know. Aris will join maybe someday. मेरे को अमृत मिला in India. I try to make some funny comments, but I am not a funny individual. I don't see that. So
I thought you were pretty funny so far.
+1.
yeah, can I get a job?
That's true.
Those emails. So you wrote those emails, all those emails before the competition.
Yeah, most of the emails are written by me.
Oh god, those were like no.
So
You
even
could try doing stand-up
even-
comedy sometime. I
Yeah,
think
can-
you should make I think you should do stand-up comedy on your second channel.
सेकंड चैनल नहीं ज्यादा हो जाएगा. थोड़ा बहुत में क्या है कि ठीक है वो अच्छा निकल जाता है. इफ आई टेक इट एज अ प्रोफेशन, एलियन ब्रेन्स कंपनी कौन मैनेज करेगा? वो कॉमेडी बन जाएगा हमारे लिए. The entire thing will be a comedy.
Almost all of the emails except for one or two except for one had the happy hacking thing from like the first week. Like after you make a project in React, it says happy hack. It was literally there in every single week's thing. So like, what made you like put that there? Is it like the first session, or was there anything
Sorry,
like other than that?
Can you reframe the question, Sid?
See, in every okay, now I just answered myself, right?
Awesome, Sid. Awesome. Okay, great. So I know Sai and Krish, you are getting late. You would want to catch up with DVMS videos, right? So we'll connect back on Discord. My ML exam email script for stand-up comedy. I'll rewatch that particular script. I don't know how did I come up with it. I'll rewatch it. Those scary mails, content writers would be. Okay, Shweta is very patient. That I know. Everybody is like, she's so sweet. That boy was the cutest. Varis, everybody is in love with you. Cybersecurity, me cricket, ML 911. What will happen in DVMS? Oh, guys, you are making me feel pressure right now. Let's see how I handle this pressure tomorrow. Yes, Khalid?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. It was my pleasure, of course. Okay, so
Thank you, sir.
I'm ending this broadcast. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you for having us.
Bye.
Thank you, Praveen.